The Sun Patch is a powerful full-spectrum LED grow light which is perfect for growing houseplants, herbs, leafy greens and seedlings in the comfort of your own home. It comes with everything you need to get started, including bamboo arms, a light shade, light panel, power adapter, controller and instructions. To set it up, start by screwing in the base piece of the bamboo to each of the main curved arm pieces. Then slide the light into the light shade. Then press fit the bamboo arms into the grooves in the side of the light shade. Plug the light controller into the light panel and the adapter into the controller, before finally plugging the adapter into the wall socket and turning it on. The Sun Patch has 8, 12 and 16 hour timer settings on a 24-hour clock, as well as 5 different light intensity settings. It integrates with the rest of our range, being perfectly sized for the top of the sun shelf 2 and 3, and fitting over our heirloom basins perfectly. We hope you love your Sun Patch just as much as we enjoy designing them and using them. Head to Gathera.com if you have any questions, and we're keen to see how you go.